Let me know if you see a windsock anywhere. Obviously, I know what the winds are doing, but...
Like, one's up there to the left in the middle.
Okay.
Off to the left.
Feels like it's pretty much straight off from the left.
Yeah.
We might even have a bit of a tailwind. I see a 3-0, that's what I told everybody up there with.
Okay. It looks good to me.
That runway looks clear, yep. Back over center line, start kicking some rudder. Runway's made. Not my finest, but we got down on center line. Flaps coming up. Full crosswind deflection and on the brakes.
That was nice.
I thought that was really nice.
Municipal Uniform Good